Hi everyone, this is Series Rufi from ProSmart CarTech. We have installed IGLA anti-theft system on this 2024 Lexus TX500 hybrid, and we're going to see how it works. Let's sit inside the car. So this vehicle is a hybrid, so basically how the system works is we're not able to start the vehicle until we press the pin code that we have set for the car. So I push the button, I press the brake, and I try to start it, but it won't start. The radio icon doesn't come on. So because the reason for that is we have not set the code that we initialized was set. So I should say that you can change the code a million times, so you can choose whatever you want to use between 3 and 21, between 3 and 20 combinations. So this time I press the pin code that I set. As you see, the auto light indicator is going to flash 2 times, means that the code is correct and is confirmed. And now we press the brake and we try to start the vehicle. And the radio icon comes on. It means that the car is ready to drive. So this is how IGLA and also Ghost 2 works in this car. The functionality, it's exactly the same. So I should say that it doesn't interfere with the remote starter of the vehicle. So you can remote start the vehicle, and then you're gonna come to the car, and before you drive the car you need to press the pin that you set. If you don't do it, the IGLA is gonna block the shifter, and when you try to shift the gear, it's gonna come back to the park. So this is how IGLA works in this Lexus TX500. Call us at ProSmart CarTech. We offer the best price in the market, and protect your vehicle today. Thank you and have a great day.